Special delivery for the 640D.
This is like, I don't, this is, I'm feeling okay. I don't.
So going up and down curbs, the rear, well, I can only explain it as the rear was making a weird creaking noise. We got out on the ramp quite quickly. Yeah, there's my problem. It snapped a coil off the bottom spring. So annoyingly, car never set badly before. Really like the height of it. OEM height on M Sport sit really well in my opinion. And I did not want to replace it with anything but OEM. However, looking at the price of OEM springs, they're about 150 quid a corner. They're on back order. Absolute nightmare. So I opted for the Eibach lowering springs, which they do say online they lower the car by 20-25 mil. Now, I'm not sure if that's based on a normal 640, 640D non-M Sport. Obviously, mine is the M Sport, but on first inspection, they sit okay. So here's the guilty culprit taken off the car. You can see it's just snapped a coil clean off. Now, on further inspection, it looks like these have been replaced at a previous date. Anyway, there's a suplex spring. The rest are OEM BMW, but they all look fairly new. They all have stickers on. I don't know if they're like that from OEM. However, these look really clean in comparison to that spring there. So I reckon these three at some point have been replaced individually. And then someone's put a knockoff spring. I say a knockoff spring. It's just a spring, isn't it? But a suplex. But yeah, there we go. Those three are on eBay now. I'll get my money back on this Eibach kit in no time. Now, I can't go on how easy it was to fit these springs. He didn't take long. He didn't charge me much, but he's a good lad. Chris at CL Autos. I'm going to say it again because he's a really good lad. Thank you, Chris, again. In this whole process, though, what I did find really strange was trying to deal with Eibach UK and Eibach in general. So I spotted the springs, actually finding out what they were for the 640D. There's loads of different part numbers knocking around. I've actually just posted what the part number is, so obviously scroll back to that if you need it. My car is a 640D M Sport 2015 F06 Grand Coupe. Sound like a right geek now, don't I? But I believe the F13, F12 non-Grand Coupe is the same as well. Don't quote me on that, but do go to Autodoc, and I'll explain that in a second. So I thought messaging Eibach UK shop would be the best place to get these springs from. I'm in the UK, they're in the UK. Thought we could come to some deal. I'll do some footage about it, you know. So I asked them what was the best price they could do, as you always do. Now, I saw them on eBay for £250, a shop selling them in the UK again. So I just went to Eibach and said, would you mind matching that price? I'd rather buy them from yourself, blah, blah, blah. Well, no, strangely, they can't match the price of their own products that someone else is selling, which really baffled me, to be honest. They did come back and forth a few times, and they said the customer service from them was better. But essentially, they were RRP £400, on offer at £350, said they'd do me a deal at £300. I ended up buying them off Autodoc for £200. So if you are looking, I checked again today, they were up at £220, but I got them on Black Friday. They were £200 delivered to the UK from Germany. It's the same product. But what I didn't like was Eibach said, if I've got a problem with them, obviously I've got to deal with Autodoc. Now, I understand that, but it's an Eibach product. So if I've got a problem with an Eibach product, I'll probably go back to Eibach. Now, whether they'll be funny or not, I'm hoping I've got no issues with it, you know what I mean? But it's a spring at the end of the day, so I just found it was really weird. But yeah, if you're after springs, go straight to Autodoc. Don't mess around with Eibach UK. As good as they were with messaging, I had the springs in 4 days from Autodoc anyway. So shout out to Autodoc, legends, no bother. I've had discs off them in the past and pads as well for the 640D. What's next for the 640D? Well, it needs a good clean. It's come back today. I'll get it all cleaned up and tarted up again. I never thought I was going to lower it, but obviously with it snapping a spring, I was kind of forced to do that. I did toy with the idea of selling it, you know, a couple of months ago, but I think it's here to stay a little bit longer. I might put some spaces on it next because I think now it's lowered. It's sitting a little bit lower, and I will update this with some photos at a later date in the feed and stuff. Do I keep it? Do I get rid? I would fancy an estate. I do fancy a van, but every time I look, there's nothing else that touched the 640D for the money, is there? So it might stay.